Hey Internet. Today's lesson is exploded views on drawings. So last time we did exploded views on assemblies. So this is in drawings. What you got to do is just go standard view from view layout, browse. We'll pick our exploded view assembly, and then we'll just create our three views and our isometric. So here's our exploded views. Maybe you don't want the top view and side views exploded, and maybe you don't want the main view as well, you just want this. So all you have to do is just click on them and delete them. Okay, now that we've got our exploded view. Alright, thanks for watching, have a great day, be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, and comment if you got any questions. Until next time, see ya.